What's up, guys? How's it going? Today is a super special episode. We're gonna go see a real good friend. Haven't drove this car in a year, finally. But we gotta go get some gas. First fill up in a long time. Ooh, it looks so good in the daytime. Shout out to Costco. This Sunday, I'll be at Tuner Evo Anaheim. I'll be bringing the Z. I'll have a lot of merch to give away, so find me, ask for some. It's all free. I got you. Whoa, we got Z in the bed. Gangsta. I'm sorry, Victor. Traffic is a bitch. Oh my god. Oh jeez, they're fighting. What, dude? We got fan out here? Hey, let me hear it rip. Go for it. Woo! We made it. Hey, shout out to Victor. He always hooking me up with that alignment. Guys, if you guys need an alignment, this place to come. Just look at this place. Huge. Dude, this is a huge upgrade from last time, man.
Hell yeah.
By the way, this is Big, guys. Want to introduce yourself?
Oh. Victor Hernandez, owner of Best Tire Shop.
I'll tag your Instagram right here.
Hell yeah.
This is the man right here. You guys have to come here. Tell him Trigga sent you. Alright, well, since we got to kick it for a little bit, since I did run here late, Victor, thank you again, bro, for still being able to align my car. But we're gonna hang out a little bit, let the Z run since the battery is pretty shit. But it's crazy to think like all this stuff work. Diff temp right here, reading right there. We got a pump right here. Let's crank that on. Oh yeah, everything is working. It makes me so happy. All right, Vic, she's all yours, dude. By the way, the e-brake doesn't work. I need to just take it out. Ooh, it looks so good. Hey, Best Tire Shop, best place. So cool coming somewhere like this. Seeing someone do what they're really good at is one of the coolest things, guys. Well, after that long drive, I did want to check out everything and make sure they're okay. Looks like the diff isn't leaking and the other fitting is good as well. Whoever that guy was on the forums who made fun of me, you a loser. Look, everything is working. Oh, it's so beautiful under here. There's all those Voodoo 13 arms. Woo, dual caliper. This is hot. Such a sick beast. Dang, guys, Victor just has some free rims laying around. That's dope. And a piano playmate. I wish I could play, I guess.
So you never changed that?
Don't mind the rattle. Ooh, super hot. All right, boys. We tuned up. Shout out to Vic again, always coming through with that merch. Best Tire Shop for the win. Gave me a shirt too, fucking sick. Huge shout out again to Victor. Car's all dialed in. Looking good. Looks so good. So I went with a 2.5 because I wanted less camber and more of a straight wheel. Hopefully everything works. It's looking solid. I love the way it came out. Round 2. Oh, the bump. Oh, that dip sounds nasty. Damn, I missed that fucking sound. Make sure I put my blinker on. You know, we try and be safe. Oh, let's rip it. The Z is officially back on the road. Not that we're done with it, but guys, we have so much more to do, a lot more to complete. Everybody who's been watching since the beginning, shout out to all you guys. Shout out to everybody who is watching this. Victor, thank you again, bro. Killed it on the alignment, my man. Woo! Alright, see you guys at home. We made it home. Shout out to Vic. This wouldn't be possible without you, bro. Guys, I can't recommend this enough, but if you need any sort of thing regarding cars, tires, alignments, Best Tire Shop is the place to go. Even if it's a little far away, it's so worth the experience, so worth the time. And Victor's so knowledgeable. There's no other reason. Just the best of the best for the best of the best. Couldn't be any happier. Just made perfectly to the spec I wanted it. And what's cool is, since I'm gonna be learning and getting more used to how the car is running and how I would like my suspension to be, I can always go back to Victor and we could adjust it and fine play with it. Like I said, I'm running a 2.5 camber right now. Some people like their wheels really inward like this with a soft suspension, so when they floor it, it flexes. Some people like it really cambered like that and they like to drift like that. I'm not sure what I am. I guess I'll learn over time. And there's a couple other things just for this that will help me fine tune that, and you guys just need to stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the content, but remember, keep saving.